Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start with chapter 5 Shapes and Pictures in MS Word part 1. In this chapter we are going to study about drawing various objects, adding text to a shape, add a bulleted or a numbered list to a shape, word art, clip art, etc. So let's begin. Shapes and pictures in MS Word. MS Word provides various tools to insert different shapes in your document to improve its look and feel. MS Word provides you various tools to insert different shapes in your document. By using these tools, you can create your document more attractive, more beautiful. Let us discuss these tools. Drawing various objects. These are the basic types of graphics that you can use to enhance your Microsoft Office, Word documents, shapes, smart art, screenshots, charts, pictures and clip art. Drawing objects such as shapes, diagram, flowcharts, curves, line and word art can be changed with colors, patterns, borders and other effects. In MS Word, you can draw different types of objects like shapes, diagrams, you can draw flowcharts, curved lines and also there is a word art. To these shapes you can give colors, different types of patterns, you can give border to these shapes and other effects also you can give. Under illustration group, all these things are present. All these things are present in the illustration group. Let us see in this figure. This part is called illustration group. And this illustration group, picture tool, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart are present. Children, now let us know about add, change or delete shapes in MS Word. On the Insert tab in the illustration group, click Shapes. Right click the shapes that you want to add and then click Lock Drawing Mode. Look at this figure, children. This is the Insert tab. In the Insert tab, illustration group. Click on the illustration group. This part is called the illustration group. In the illustration group, click Shapes. This is the shape tool and click on this shape tool on this arrow. When you click on this shapes, various tools will be appear on the screen. From these tools, select any one tool and for example, I have selected this tool and right click the shape that you want to add. I will right click on this shape. When you right click on this tool, again a sub menu will be appeared. From this sub menu, you have to select Lock Drawing Mode. Click anywhere in the document and then drag to place the shape. Repeat this for each shapes that you want to add. Click anywhere in the document, this is the document, and then drag to place the shape and drag any one shape from here. For example, I have dragged the circle here like this. Repeat this for each shape that you want to add. If you want to add more shapes, repeat this process again. After you add all the shapes that you want, press the escape key. Adding text to a shape. Right click the shape that you want to add text to. Children, first you have to insert a shape from the shape group on the document. Then select the shape as shown in the figure. After selecting the shape, right click the shape Right click the shape that you want to add text to. Now children, click add text option from the pull down menu and start typing your text. Look at this picture. This is your shape. When you right click on the shape, you will get a menu. From this menu, you have to select add text option. When you select the add text option, after selecting add text option, start typing your text on the shape. After inserting the text in the shape and right clicking the shape, the add text option changes to edit text option. Look at this figure children. After inserting the text in the shape, just right click on the shape. You will get a sub menu. From this sub menu, you have to select edit text option. The add text option changes to edit text option and just select the edit text option and again edit the text in the shape. In this way, you can add text in your shape and you can also edit the text in your shape in the document. Add a bulleted or a numbered list to a shape. Select the text in the shape that you want to add bullets or numbering to. Let us know the steps children. If you want to add bullets or a numbered list to a shape. Step 1. Select the text in the shape that you want to add bullets or numbering to. Look at this figure children. This is the shape and you have to select this shape and select this shape. Right click the selected text and on the shortcut menu do one of the following. First, you have to select the text which is written on the shape. Then right click the selected text and you will get a shortcut menu. After that, do one of the following. If you want to add bullets, point to bullets and then choose the option that you want. Look at this picture children. If you want to bullets, point to a bullets. These are called bullets. From here you have to select any one bullet. From here choose the option that you want, means you have to select any one bullets from here. In this way you can insert bullet in your shape in document. If you want to add numbers in your shape, you have to point to numbering and then choose the option that you want. Look at this figure children. When you right click on the selected text, you will get a numbering option. From this numbering, choose any one option that you want, like this 1 2. If you want 1 2 3 4, if you want A B C D, select any one option from this menu. In this way you can give the numbering to the text in the shape of your document. It's all for today. We will continue the same topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.